I'm an RC Colas employee. Siyempre, untog pumuli. Uy, 6:30 na.
I'm RC employee. Of course. Gusto kita umiinom og RC Cola.
I am ARC employee. Of course, I am loyal in RC Cola.
I am RC employee. Of course, sige ko kalit.
I am the RC employee. Of course, no comment.
I'm an ARC employee. Siyempre, wala na bilhin sa kong sweldo. I am ERC employee. Of course, naka 12 years in the making ko.
Wow.